Hello, I'm creating this video on how to fix your Magnavox LCD TV. I've came into this problems with these TVs making a loud chirping noise. I recently discovered this TV inside of a trash can while driving down the road, and when I plugged it in, it was making a loud chirping sound. The model number on this TV, as you can see, not very well. But what I came to discover is sometimes the problem is not in the caps, but is rather the diodes on your power supply. And sometimes their capacitors are good, like these ones are, which led me to believe that the diodes are the problems. With a multimeter you can find out how to test their diodes, but the most common problem on these power supply boards is that diode, right, the little one, the second one from the right of that transformer right there. And if that doesn't fix your problem is these two chips on this silver board right here. And that chirping sound is coming from a diode, a shortening, I believe, which is a failure. Well, I fixed the problem, changed the diode, and now, as a test, to prove to you, remember I found this in the trash can. There we go, free TV right out of the trash can for a $2 part. Can't beat that. I hope that helps anyone.